Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. So I just wanted to update you guys on the bear close for Ethereum. We did close officially August 10th. We did officially close 11, 10. Yeah, for August 10th, we officially closed a perfect bear sell-off. But look what's happening. Just right now, we're seeing another bull push towards the upside. So I gotta go with what I think is gonna happen. I think, like I said, like I told you guys before, we're either going to 3,500 or back down to 25. I think we're going to 3,500, and not even 3,500. I actually think we might there might be a chance that we see $4,000 within the next week or so. But that all depends because like look what happened right on the last bull push towards the upside. We had a huge push from 2,500 all the way up to what 31.92. So about a 600 point move. And I think it's gonna. I think the same thing is gonna happen. I think that once this bear trigger kind of stops, I think we might see this bear trigger, and then maybe we nothing really happens for this bear push on the downside. Because look, we're actually trading more. We're actually trading to the upside. We actually crossed 3,200. We're at 32. We're at 32.33 right now on Ethereum. So I do think we're going back up to 35.79, which is the next resistance. Not only that, if we stay on this trajectory, which means that if we stay overbought on the stochastic, and we actually create another bull trigger on the reverse MACD, I think we can possibly see $4,000 by the end of this week or possibly next week. I that's just how I see it. That looks like it's how it's gonna happen. Everything looks really bullish for Ethereum right now, and which goes on another theory that I have that this time you're gonna see a nice rally on a lot of Ethereum based tokens. I think for this next bull push or this next bull crypto rally, I think the tokens that are actually going to be doing the best are going to be Ethereum based tokens, the ones that are running on the Ethereum blockchain. So things like Polkadot, competitors like ADA, self staking like Anchor, just anything really that's running off of the Ethereum platform, I think is going to do really well as long as Ethereum keeps running towards the upside. And if you think Ethereum is basically going to be the winner eventually, I think that any altcoin that's related to Ethereum, I think is going to have a solid advantage over any other crypto basically. But yeah, Ethereum, it looks like even on this bear trigger, we're still moving up to the upside. we're moving like another couple $100 towards the upside. I do think we're going back to 35.79. Like I would have, if anything, if this bear trigger would have actually done something for Ethereum or actually caused a downfall, I could have easily seen Ethereum back at 28.50, but that didn't happen. We had a bull push towards the upside. So this bear trigger is basically nulled, which means that yeah, we're going back to 35.79. That's what it looks like. It looks like we're going back to 35.79. Not only that, once we have another bull push towards the upside, having the stochastic already being overbought, it looks like we might even rally to $4,000. Like that's what it looks like. It's crazy to think that Ethereum is the one leading the way right now. It's leading the way 100% over every other crypto. I'll see you guys later.